Top 5 reasons why the headlights bother you when you're driving at night.
The number one reason why the headlights are driving you crazy when you're driving at night. You're just undercorrected and need an updated pair of glasses. Whether you're slightly nearsighted, slightly farsighted, or have a little bit of astigmatism, just by being a little undercorrected, the headlights might bother you if you're not wearing the proper lenses. Now, just because you have a pair of these does not mean you're gonna go without any glare. Very important that you have the anti-reflector coating. But also, do the frames fit your face? Are they sitting properly? If there's abnormal tilt or your eyes are not lined with how the frame is sitting on your face, you might induce something called prism. And all of this can cause increased glare that might be worse than how you were before. So it's not just a pair of glasses, it's a pair of well-fitted glasses that will help with reducing the glare at night.
The number 2 reason why the glare is bothering you when you're driving at night. You see that little film in the fog on the glass of my sauna? Well, inside our eyes, we all have a natural lens that is essentially clear like this. And as we get wiser, and it can also happen when you're younger, it starts to get a little foggy. And when it gets a little foggier, it can cause you a lot of glare due to the way the light reflects off of it. How do we fix that? Well, anti-reflector coating on the lenses, or sometimes when it gets bad enough, we refer to our local surgeon for cataract surgery. Reason number 3 for why driving at night bothers you due to the glare. We already talked about glasses, we already talked about cataracts. But what about that front surface, the cornea? You have certain pathologies, such as keratoconus, that front surface is no longer smooth the way we want. As a result, the light will reflect in a way that's going to cause a lot of glare when you're driving at night. Reason number 4, and this is something you have to think about. If you're driving at night, it's fine when you're on vacation, but suddenly, after long days of work, it's not as comfortable. Chances are it's not any of those top 3 things we talked about, because those things you cannot really change. What's probably going on is that you're spending all day working here, and remember, your eyes are cameras, and what's probably happening is they're starting to spasm out. So it's probably important for you to find a way to pace yourself throughout the day, or get prescribed some reading glasses, or something we have to work on to get your visual system working more efficiently. Reason number 5 why you might be having issues driving at night. Look at this windshield. Think about how the light's scattering as the windshield looks like that or if it's cracked. Things we don't think about. Man, I need a car wash.